Hey, welcome back to the channel where we show you the best ways to make money online. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can earn over $500 an hour by simply using your phone. That's right, this method is perfect for beginners and requires no experience. So let's dive in and show you how to get paid. Also check the description of this video for wealth music and forex signals. The method we're talking about today is called mobile user testing. This is where companies pay you to test their mobile apps and give feedback. The best part is that it's easy, it's fun, and it pays really well. Sign up for a mobile user testing platform. There are a lot of these platforms out there, but we recommend u.s.a. It's one of the best in the industry and has a great reputation. Plus, it's free to sign up. Start looking for jobs. Once you sign up, you'll be able to see all the available jobs on the platform. These jobs are usually short and can be completed in 20 minutes or less. Complete the job. Once you've found a job that you're interested in, all you have to do is follow the instructions and complete the job. This usually involves testing an app and giving feedback on the user experience. After you've completed the job, you'll get paid. u.s.a. pays $10 for every job you complete, which usually takes around 20 minutes. That means you can earn $30 an hour just by using your phone. Bonus tips. Here are a few bonus tips to help you maximize your earnings with mobile user testing. Tip 1. Complete jobs quickly. The faster you complete jobs, the more you can complete in a day, which means more money in your pocket. Tip 2. Be honest. Companies want honest feedback, so don't be afraid to tell them what you really think about their app. Tip 3. Build a good reputation. If you do a good job and provide helpful feedback, companies will keep coming back to you for more jobs. So there you have it, folks. That's how you can earn over $500 an hour just by using your phone. If you're looking for an easy and fun way to make some extra cash, mobile user testing is definitely worth checking out. So sign up for a platform like u.s.a. and start earning today.